Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty box for January 2020. It smells very fragrant, like I think roses. We'll see. This box was gifted to me by the Witch's Moon, but the opinions are my own. Thank you very much for the wonderful gift. Let's see what we got here. Forge of Hope. So maybe looking like Freya, maybe? Oh. Cherry Quartz. She just looks like Freya. She's not, though. I don't think so, anyway. Alright, let's see. You got a beautiful, they're like velvety, they feel like velvet, but they're like kind of a little stretchy. They're way too small for my neck, but I like them a lot. I can maybe wear them for on my wrist. But I think for the average size person, they'd be probably great. Or even, I could wear them as a choker. It's just I don't wear chokers. I just don't like feeling that constricted on my neck. I prefer to wear necklaces that come down to my bosom. Alright, let me identify that smell, because it smells, and the second I open the bag, I could smell a very intense fragrance smell. Creation. And it's got, oh God bless it. Oh my gosh, it's like a smoky, herby, and like maybe a citrus. Yum. Smells great. Got a beautiful red candle. Beeswax. It's the incense, I think. No, maybe not. I don't know. Let me see what is the stone. The stone. The stone. Ooh, look at you. I mean, I would not have guessed cherry quartz. It looks a lot like a carnelian to me. There we go. Now you can see all the pieces. Alright. The main event. It's a different colored box this time. Oh. Oh. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. That's a flame. So pretty. Wow. Wow. Let me see what it says. As we step into the coming months, we realize the blessings that surround us. We embrace how lucky we are to be associated with the beautiful energies that are here for us to work with each day. These lighter months of the year bring hope on each horizon and provide us with a surge of motivation and courage to make it last. It is vital that we maintain a positive and refreshed perspective each day so that we are able to manifest our desires in their purest and most vibrant form. In this very special collection, we have curated and sourced the items needed to assist you in pushing forward through any challenges that may face you in the coming months. As you resonate with these items, allow their energy to carry your emotions to a higher, more resilient state. The magical items in the box are as follows. Cherry quartz pendant with garnet inlay. Beautiful cherry quartz stone was first created by combining quartz and cinnabar. As these two stones melt together, they create a wonderful, dazzling effect, holding within its energy renewed life. I don't think I have any cherry quartz. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Cherry quartz is a wonderful tool to absorb, release, and maintain all of your life energies. As this beautiful stone resets your inner compass, it restores and charges the energy that you seem to have lost in the hustle of life. Oh, yes, please. With this very beneficial energies, vitality is reawakened. Yes, preach. The deep and rich color of the cherry quartz brings the energy of strength and courage to your demeanor, assisting while you push through more complicated and demanding tasks throughout your day. A wonderful stone of hope, the cherry quartz is a powerful booster of enthusiasm when it seems as if you have no more creative energy to spare. Oh my god, it's perfect for me! These helpful characteristics will allow you to more easily reach your personal and professional goals. As you work with the energies of this stone, allow it to energize your mind, body, and spirit. As stated within the Cherry Quartz Goddess Book of Shadows, Cherry Quartz emanates intense hope and motivation, promoting vitality and courage to continue progressing forward. This stone aids in receptivity and invisible energies, especially in receiving visions or prophecies of one's near or distant future. We have added the imagery of the undying flame on the back of this pendant to symbolize ongoing strength and conviction. Included within the bale of this pendant sits a garnet, known for its ability to attract prosperity and help to facilitate the enjoyment of worldly pleasures. This garment carries the vibration of radiant healing energies. As you work with and wear this pendant, allow its presence to be felt, to transform your perspective, and to enhance your life force. Perfect. Wow. My son is obviously wilding out in the living room, so please don't mind me. Creation. Magical anointing oil. We have created this potent magical anointing oil with the intention of inspiring creativity with your practice and craft. Creation is the main staple of our personal practices and solely relates to our ability to use energies to manifest our desires and ambitions. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work, knowing that your journey is filled with divine purpose. We have enchanted this oil with neroli, clove, bergamot, and helichrysum, as well as a special mixture of our booster magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Along with lemon peel and cinnamon bark, it smells amazing. We have included a Lemurian mini quartz, said to teach oneness and used to clear all chakras. Use this oil to anoint your candles, jewelry, and skin. Fire ritual incense sticks. Sacred energy spell candle. So the fire incense, it just helps visualize your mood and emotions being lifted to a higher state. It doesn't say, it smells, I don't know, maybe it's coming from somewhere else. I don't know. I feel like I smell roses. Sacred energy spell candle. We have hand rolled this spell candle with the intention of promoting sacred energy in and around your space. As you allow the flame to dance, take seriously your purpose and intentions. Oh, I was right. It is a carnelian. This is a carnelian. To accompany you on your path, we have included a tumbled carnelian stone, known as the Stone of Courage. Carnelian is a wonderful companion during times of doubt and anxiety. Keep this stone close to you as you work through your daily challenges. And then, of course, the Book of Shadows. This was an amazing box. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it, and it's perfect for what I'm going through in my life right now. I will have to make, and I bought everything last time because I really connected with that belemite. So I bought the things to make like a rawhide kind of necklace that goes down to the appropriate length on my person, and I'm definitely going to, because it's black, so I don't know if I want this to be on the black one or if I want this to be on a lighter one, but we'll see. Definitely going to hang that up. It's so beautiful, and it's so perfect for, this whole box is really like exactly perfect for me at this time of my life, because I'm trying to make big changes. I'm in grad school, I still work full-time, I'm raising a little one, you know, I'm trying to grow and expand my YouTube channel. It's a lot. It's nothing that I can't handle. I just would love that extra oomph. I'm so pleased. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. Beautiful box. As always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to your comments. I am getting to you very soon, I promise. Both my side-by-side video and my 900 subscriber giveaway. It was a close thing. I thought I was going to have to not do my 900 subscriber giveaway because it looked like I had dumped like, 10 or 15 people, like, gone. And it's inching back up, so I'm back into the 900s again. But it's just like very odd. Unless my personality offends, but hopefully y'all will tell me. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful night. Blessings. I don't know who needs to hear this, but you're awesome. You deserve everything, and it's all gonna be okay. Have a wonderful night. Bye.